touch the billy goat? Oh, so sweet. He's so sweet. You touching the billy goat? Where's the other billy goat? What's over there? You want to touch that one? You touching that one? Can you come touch this sheep? Look at that sheep. Billy goat. Billy goat. Sheep. The sheep. That's a billy goat. Come touch this sheep. Say bye-bye, sheep.